FLOWRiX, the unified solution for your digital and in-store business. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set height, width, and depth for roller blinds to automate shipping calculations. Roller blinds are rolled before shipping, which makes their package dimensions significantly different from their actual product size. To ensure accurate shipping costs and to automate consignment bookings, it's essential to provide correct package dimensions and weights. With FLOWRiX, defining the correct package weight and size for made-to-measure products is simple. Here's how. Create a new Excel file. Width is the key factor for roller blinds, as package height and depth rarely vary. Add the product width and height values in the top row and the first column. Ensure the package width is slightly larger than the product width to account for packaging materials. Save this file and let's create the package height file for roller blinds. A single consistent height value works well in most cases, but you can include multiple calculation points if your shipping requirements demand them. Let's duplicate the height file to create a package depth sheet. We have all three files ready. Let's upload these to FLOWRiX. Log in to the FLOWRiX app. Navigate to Custom Products and select Edit Roller Blind. Go to the Shipping tab. Click Browse to upload your Excel files for width, height, and depth, then press Save. For cubic size, you also need weight information. Please check the relevant video to create a weight lookup sheet. Your FLOWRiX app is ready to send package dimensions to your shipping provider. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your business with the FLOWRiX digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.